U Menteri Katanat Public Health Engineering PHE U Markus and Marak Hakashipau Tarik no pra ula pentep bakatanat kalabu ya katong ban pendap no hakabayade bakajing pentrekam ya kajal Jiven Mission JJM hapo ubenai leber arajar arpusan. Habakren syakilat patai kubor U Markus ula ong bahadu prapway point live kendai pesen kajing pentre ya kakam lala ban pendap kat hadu mentah. Ka ayom tre kadang sedang mentah bat baro ki kontraktor bat company kelas sedang penyak syakmat ya kakam bat ngi persangkat bala pendap ya kan dengan jing pentrekam hapo ubenai leber jong usnem uban wan ula benram. Ula ong ru bakidan palat hendriu hajar ki projek ki bahap hapo ka JJM bat baro ki dei ki bala budak netak katkum ki jaka. Baro ki projek ki layo ek jing budak lem kumta ngin yok satya ya kasong pisa na kasorkar India ong umarang. Watla kata Menteri Upentep bagi don katu kat ni ki projek ki bamsyam lala ban pendam namar ki jing bayating ko kata kentup ha kabayade baka jing slam banyo ya ka jing bed na katanat forest. Na luar kata ulo ong ru baka jing ring turkong jong ki telong umru kilong ka wena ki da ko balakwa bha ya ka jing pentrekam ya ka projek JJM. Habakeli Menteri ulo ong kijing terwa kilong bakatanat keladap ban terwa hakum kini kijaka ki bam dan ding bar ngidang pentikna ba de satya ban pom ya ki ding nakabenta ban pendap ya kani ka project. Henry na marba kidang hap hapo katanat forest kum taru kadan kam banyo ya ka jingben. Ngidang persyang banyo katu kani ka song pisa na ka jela. Ngalaya keren bat Menteri rangba ka jela u Konrad ke sangma balada ka sorkar pedeng kam a ya ka song jingaram ngin haban wat katu kat ni ka song pisa na ka sorkar jela kenang bangin la ban pen kela ya ki telong kenang bakum kini ki project kin la ban ne ula ong.
Low performing districts, Garo Hills in fact was doing very well, but some of the projects was abandoned. Some of the projects were left out because some of the contractors were not working on that. So we have given a strict warning to them, and then some of the projects have been cancelled and then given to some other contractors. So they are on the job now. Yeah, there are some challenges. We are working on that. The challenges like the clearance from forest clearance, that is still there. We are yet to get some forest clearances for some projects. Some projects, sources are getting dry, so that source changing is required. So we are trying to get some additional fund from the state. I've already discussed with CM sir, and if center is not giving, we have to find some fund from the government of Meghalaya so that we change the source so that the project sustains. Getting geotech, otherwise we will not be getting fund from the government of India. All the sources are getting geotech. 6,000 projects are there. All 6,000 plus projects are getting geotech. Land issue, most of the land issues are being settled down now. Most of the land issues like from the private Nokmas and Darbas, Rangbashnongs and then Dolois, that issues we are settling down. There are certain procedures through which the department has to go. That itself is a lengthy one, so that is the reason why it's getting delayed. Rules are such that the department has already proposed in such places where trees are not there, and we are making sure that trees should not be cut just to make this project completed. So, but then since it is under the forest department, forest clearance has to be done. Most of the sources that are very necessary, very important. Government is thinking of implementing some Internet of Things. We are going to implement the Internet of Things, IoT, in most of the sources, so that we get automatic alert for the maintenance of the sources, and then we can take corrective measures accordingly. So most of the critical sources which has been identified last year, around 749 critical sources, rectification measures are going to be taken now, and then for this matter expert has been called in, and then the project preparation is on. hopefully once it is completed, we'll be able to implement, I think, within this lean period. I cannot tell you now, right now, because still the DPR preparation is on the way, and experts are also still trying to find out the most critical ones. They're on the field now. Some of them have already gone to the sites to study the critical sources, and accordingly they prepare a DPR.